ओम नमः शिवाय। दोस्तों, आप सभी जानते हैं डीएनए एस्ट्रोलॉजी में हम माइथोलॉजिकल कैरेक्टर्स का प्रमाण लेकर आगे का रिसर्च जो है कैरी करते हैं। हम बात कर रहे हैं आज एक नक्षत्र उत्तर भाद्रपदा नक्षत्र जो मीन राशि के अंतर्गत आ जाता है पाइसेस में। उत्तर भाद्रपदा वॉज द बर्थ स्टार ऑफ लॉर्ड विष्णु। ओके, and in all the Vishnu avatars, we see a very peculiar thing, very common thing. Lord Vishnu has a dispute or a quarrel with his mother. This nakshatra Uttar Bhadrapada, according to DNA astrology, carries the curse or the karmic registry of moon, Chandra. Okay, and moon, Chandrama is the karaka of mother. Okay, so we see. Since Lord Vishnu was born under this nakshatra Uttar Bhadrapada, he has a lot of issues or quarrels with the mother in all the Vishnu avatars. Like there is something or the other. Like in Krishna avatar, Devaki is the real mother who gives birth to Lord Krishna. But Lord Krishna is raised by Yashoda. He has to live with the stepmother. The other mother, or foster mother is the correct word. हम देख सकते हैं इसके अलावा राम अवतार में उनकी जो सौतेली माँ है, उनके कहने पर उनके पिता दशरथ उन्हें वन में बेच देते हैं, है ना। सो अगेन द मदर थिंग कम्स इनटू द पिक्चर इन परशुराम अवतार, विच इज ऑल्सो द अवतार ऑफ लॉर्ड विष्णु. परशुराम चॉप्स ऑफ हिज मदर्स हेड, okay, on the recommendation of his father. Okay, and in the Mohini avatar, when Lord Vishnu himself is in the form of a female, okay, he does not have the authority or the power to feed her own son, who is Ayyappa in south of India, Manikantan. Okay, then the legend follows that Ayyappa runs to the forest and there's a tigress who feeds him. But again, the Mohini avatar, the mother, and not being able to feed her own son, okay, because of the curse of Chandra, moon dosha. Moon is also the food, okay. So whosoever is born under the nakshatra Uttar Bhadrapada, means there's a criteria. If your moon is in this nakshatra, the first house of the Kundali, okay, the Lagna point, if it falls under this nakshatra Uttar Bhadrapada, or the Lagna lord, the lord of the first house, if it goes in this nakshatra Uttar Bhadrapada, there will be some or the other problems related to the Chandra Karak Tattva. There could be issues or disputes or quarrels with the mother. There could be young age death or young age separation of the mother, or the child not being able to get the required love and affection of the mother. Okay, and for that matter, other moon related character, for food related business in the family, and some emotional, mental, psychological issues will also be prominent with this nakshatra Uttar Bhadrapada. So this was it about Uttar Bhadrapada. If you want to know more about DNA astrology, stellar astrology, nakshatra based astrology, you can contact us at Maharishi Astrological Center. Our contact number is 9503596761. Thanks a lot.